Grandvalira Ski Resort in Andorra la Vella, Andorra. Grandvalira is a ski resort that is located in the Pyrenees, in the eastern part of Andorra. It was created in October 2003 by the merging of the Pas-Grau areas, formed in 1956, and Soldeu-El Tarter, formed in 1964. To make this combination possible, an extensive network of elevators with a high capacity has been installed. With a total length of 193 kilometers of prepared pistes, a ski area has been created that can compete with ski resorts in the French Alps. The area includes, from east to west, the villages of El Pas de la Casa, Grau Roig, Soldeu-El Tarter, Canillo and Encamp. There are advanced plans to connect the ski area with the French ski station Porte Puymorens, which is located east of Pas de la Casa. The ski area is especially snowy in the months of January and February. In order to make skiing possible in the late season, 35% of the slopes can be artificially snowed. This allows you to ski until May. The ski area is divided into 6 different sectors: Canillo, Soldeu, Pas de la Casa, Encamp, El Tarter and Grau Roig. There are various different access points between Encamp and Pas de la Casa. Most of these can be used by people with reduced mobility. Among the many services on offer at the resort are equipment hire stores, a reservations center, restaurants, snack bars, terraces and barbecues, a Wi-Fi zone, snowparks, kids trails, baby clubs, creches, the Igloo Hotel and a variety of snow-based activities for non-skiers. The season begins at the start of December and ends around mid-April, depending on the weather. With the Grandvalira Pass you have unlimited access to the whole ski area. You can enjoy the season pass all season long and benefit from special extras and discounts. In addition, by paying a small supplement, you'll also be able to enjoy the facilities at the Val Nord-Ordino Arcalis Resort, along with those at Grandvalira. With the Plus and Pass you pay as you go by the day for your skiing and receive special discounts. The webcams show pre-recorded aerial images of different sectors in Grandvalira. Restaurants to suit all tastes are available. There are around 15 premises offering everything from self-service to table service, good fast food and dinners in the mountains. Like us and join us at Extreme Collections for more fun and knowledge.